Welcome to the beautiful city of OWERRI. Yes, the popular Oringo town in the southeast. And we are so excited this morning to visit again. It's been quite a while since we visited OWERRI. Yeah, road looking all neat and clean. If you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Do well to click the subscribe button and also turn on notification bell. And for returning subscribers, as always, we thank you very much. Yes, we are just entering the city, and as you can see, you can't pass through OWERRI without passing through this roundabout. And for as many of you who have visited OWERRI before, you should know where we are heading to right now. So just coming in to town and right about using the control axis of town. It's quite exciting to see that OWERRI is looking all clean. I guess the cleaners are doing their job a little bit, and quite impressive to see. So this is the heartland of OWERRI. So for many of you who love football, that is where the name came from, the heartland of OWERRI. Yes, it's a football club and owned to the Imo people. Yeah, it's quite an exciting state. And you know, before now, they said is a popular or is known for its Oringo nature, that during the weekend you hardly get flight leading to OWERRI because of the bubbling life and bubbling activities that is happening within the city. Yes, I can't wait to experience nightlife here, because it's always fun when you're in OWERRI experiencing the nightlife areas where they have up to 24 hours activities. It's just fun driving around the town at night. So we'll be looking forward to a lot of changes that has occurred in the town. We're looking forward to what the current administration, even though not change, is doing in the state, and bringing you guys all of the updates you need to know. Just a quick one. We learned some work will be going on around this control pretty soon. So our eyes are locked on control, and we're bringing you guys all of the updates as the work progresses around there. So we're just heading towards portharcourt express now. So let's just give you guys a little view of new OWERRI, give you guys a little view of Concord axis, just give you guys a general overview of that beautiful part of town. I think that is one of the most beautiful parts of OWERRI that I know. So if you know of any, you can let me know in the comment section. I think it's a very beautiful area. The trees and everything just there is just looking off so beautiful. So quite good to see. So if you are based here, or you are from OWERRI or from IMO State, do well to rep in the comment section, and also do let us know any video recommendation that you will be having for us. It's quite an interesting town to stay, and one thing I must commend them for currently, like I mentioned earlier, is the fact that the city is looking all clean, you know. So but though not to be said about when you drive in from the Okigwe road or coming in from Onitsha. So those axes are still looking like very dirty, you know. So I think attention should be paid to those areas. And just to mention before we do our night drive, if you are from here seeing this our daytime video, let me know if these street lights are actually working, you know. So that would be good to know. I'm a huge fan of lights at night within a city, so and it would be great to see that the city is lit at night. Just to mention Oxum town, but I think I will not still trade my enugu for OWERRI anyway. But OWERRI is a cool town. Yeah, a lot of things are there to enjoy within the city, and OWERRI is known for its numerous hotels, should I say plenty hotels. You know, you can walk down an entire street and all you see left, right, center is just hotels all around. So that is one thing that makes the town so interesting for me, because sourcing for good hotels is actually not a big deal in OWERRI, you know, and you get them at a very good and affordable prices within town. The competition here for hospitality business is quite very high. So you can just move around, check, you can walk a whole street and you see hotels left, right, and center everywhere. So you can just make a choice, do your surveys before you check into hotels. But for me, I always love to stay around this new OWERRI axis, because I just feel they have the nightlife, they have everything, you know. So that's why I choose to always stay around new OWERRI. So great guys, good to be in your city again. So if you like us to link up, also do us a direct DM on or on any of our social media platform. If you want to show me around town, if you want to show me where I can eat OWERRI within the town, I'm looking forward to your DM, and I would really appreciate that, to link up with any of our subscribers within the city. Yeah, quite good. I don't know what much the governor is doing, no much changes within the town, but some current work is going on within MBC OWERRI Road. Some serious work is going on around there, quite dusty. The traffic around that region is very crazy. So I guess maybe he's the one currently doing that job. I don't know if it's a federal work, but it's within the state road. So I guess is the state government currently handling that project, but great work around that road. I believe by the time that is completed, driving Mbise OWERRI will be a very, very smooth drive within town. So safety as well, talking about safety, interaction with friends, I say, well, comparatively it is safe, even though there is a reduced nightlife from the previous activities that happened within town, but comparatively the town is all safe, so I don't know, I've not really experienced any sad event within town here, or seen any friend who experienced sad events within town, but comparatively they said OWERRI is safe. But because of the last experiences the town has experienced, so they gradually lost touch of their nightlife activities. People no longer flock into town at night as it used to be. That is why now people will say they think the center of Oringo has moved away from OWERRI to Asaba. So I don't know how true that is. So my Asaba people, if you are seeing this video, if you've received the title of the town for the Oringo, let me know in the comment section. But generally they still have some good activities currently going on within town. And one thing I love about this area where we are driving on currently is the fact that the whole link road everywhere is just tiled and looking all gloomy and beautiful, and with the trees just making it look so calm, even though I know some of these trees on the road, they are not really the type made for roads actually, because of the windy time, but it's cool, giving that cool effect and giving that cool activity within the area. So it just makes it looks cool. And the area we're currently driving on now, we're heading towards Concord. It looks so calm during the day, but at night when you come here, it's a new and different experience entirely. When you visit this area at night, you will not believe what you will be experiencing. I must tell you the truth. I must tell you. So what you'll be experiencing will be crazy. The crowd, the traffic around here will be all crazy. You won't believe this was the same path you drove through at night. So that's one beautiful thing about this area in OWERRI. Though not all the roads are still good, some of the link road is still looking very, very bad. I think within the state road, a lot of things still needs to be fixed, in my opinion. So, but if you share a different opinion, you can let us know and drop your reasons in the comment section. And I think they have quite a number of roads that are still very poorly managed within town. Now, that being said, rentage in OWERRI for as many who intend to come and live or stay here, yeah, still fair, no much difference within OWERRI and Enugu, I must say, but I don't know how their agent works in the town. So if you have experience of the agent, let me know. I learned that you can get in some areas for as low as 450,000 for a 2-bedroom flat. I wouldn't want to mention specifically, but I said there are some areas, there are areas and there are areas. So if you're thinking towards the new OWERRI, you have to prep from 700, 800,000 and above to get a good 2-bedroom apartment. So I think for housing within the town, I think it's literally same as Enugu. There's no much difference, in housing within OWERRI. Another key important thing that I want to talk about within the town is lightning. I would say OWERRI has a very poor light system, because all the times I've visited OWERRI, I think the hotels I stay, they literally run their gen almost all day. You literally see light. I don't know why, except for those who use solar during the day and their generator during the night. In fact, I even shot some videos in some houses where they had to go and mount complete solar for everything in their house. I think lighting is still a very poor situation as far as Owerri is concerned. So I don't know how much prepaid meters have been released in the state, but I keep saying it that the reason why Enugu have a good amount of light, outside of it being the headquarters of lightning within town, I think the reason is because prepaid has been released almost to every household in Enugu. I would say 80-90% of houses in Enugu have been fully prepaid. So if you don't bring the light, the Enugu people don't even care. If the light even goes bad, they don't even care. They'll just notify you guys that the light is bad. So it's not left for you to come at any time and get the light fixed for them to start using. So lightning is still very poor. It's still very poor. But if you share a different opinion from us, also give us your reason and let us know in the comment section. Another thing I will not fail to talk about in Owerri is the presence of these touts that call themselves emblem boys. Their presence is so much in the town, and I think the state government and the police needs to do a lot, because even now they even collaborate with police to embarrass people even along the roadside. So quite a very poor experience, quite a very poor thing to be seen within a city like Owerri. But generally, I love the city. It's a city I will always visit. It's a city I always love to come and spend my weekend. And great to see. So thank you so much, guys, for staying with us on this ride around the beautiful city of Owerri. Like I said before, do not hesitate to rep your location in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the city, and if you have been here before, or you've based here before, or you are still staying here, do also let us know in the comment section. I enjoyed myself. I'm going to enjoy myself, in this city. I look forward to my night drive and seeing the beautiful places that has the bubbling life within the town. So thank you so much. So if you are new to the channel, I'll say again, please do well to click the subscribe button to be part of our family. And for returning subscriber, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. We'll catch all of you guys in our next video. Bye.